it's a birthday, and I wished them happy birthday.
Oh, that's alright. Look at Jara. She's checking out the big boy.
Yeah, checking it out.
What do you think, Jara?
Weird.
She's taking it very slow. What do you think, Joey? The expression on Joey's face is to die for. What do you think, babies? What do you think, Joseph? He says, no way. What do you think, Jer Bear? Look at her fur. It's all sticking up. Her tail is like bushed. Gerald, what do you think of that big boy? Oh my goodness. She is so pushed out. She say, I'm not like that big kitty. That big kitty's scary, mommies.